Member representing Esako Federal Constituency for the House of Representatives and one of Edo APC governorship aspirants, Honorable Anamero Dekeri, on Sunday 18 February 2024, do want to talk with Tori people to thank the good people of the All Progressive Congress APC where they take vote and nominate him as the flag bearer of the party for the September 21st Edo governorship election, and come also to raise salute to the critical stakeholders, especially the state and national working committees, where them take hold tight to the electoral guidelines as a day for the timetable. Honorable Anamero Dekeri come also call on co-contestants, say make them join body with and to remove PDP from office, say even though say them not agree with each other during the campaign, that na normative for contest, and say their participation help make democracy strong for the party, say no victor and no loser as na APC win. A talk say while in they wait for affirmation of in victory by the world delegates, in go unveil in manifesto wey be venture of hope agenda within the next few days.
February 17, 2024, members of the All Progressive Congress APC in Edo State came out to vote for a candidate of their choice to fly the party's flag in the forthcoming gubernatorial election for Edo State. With their wisdom, they elected me, Honorable Anamero Dekeri, as their preferred candidate, and in all humility and with a great sense of responsibility, I accept this choice, which I believe is a reflection of God's choice. From the depth of my heart, I say a big thank you to you, members of our great party in Edo State, for reposing this huge confidence in me, which I must say I do not take for granted. I must also thank critical stakeholders, especially the states and the National Working Committee, for insisting on the total adherence to electoral guidelines as stipulated in the timetable. Let me also appreciate the electoral umpire, the Independent National Electoral Commission, and for ensuring transparency in the conduct of the election. Here, I must acknowledge the efforts of my campaign team for their resilience and commitment to this noble cause. I thank you so very much. However, I wish to reiterate, I wish you rededicate yourself to the next stage of the process. God's willing, we shall triumph again. At this point, I must acknowledge my co-contestant and great party members who put up a commendable challenge during the contest. Your participation, I must say, helped deepen democracy in our party. You fought gallantly and with passion. We might have disagreed during the campaign, which is not unusual in any contest. However, our members have made a choice. There is no victor and there is no vanquish. It is APC that has won. Democracy is the winner. Therefore, I invite you to join hands with me and let us march together shoulder to shoulder with great strength and commitment and remove the temporary occupant at Osadebe Avenue, the PDP, come September 2024. Although there was a delay in the arrival of materials, especially in Edo North, we salute the party leadership in rising to the occasion and members who were resolute in their desire to exercise their franchise, which they willingly gave to me. My dear party members, I congratulate you today on the mandate you have given to me to fly our party flag. While awaiting the affirmation of my victory by the world delegate as stipulated in the guidelines and other relevant laws, I wish to assure you that in the next few days, I shall be unveiling my electoral manifesto, Christian Venture of Hope Agenda. I therefore call on our party members and Edo State in general to give their loyalty and join our campaign effort to form the next government in the state, a government that will care for you and your children and that will build your sufferings. Let me send this message to PDP, the temporary occupant, and then is Osadebe Avenue to begin to pack their luggage. Your time is up.
Make una not forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.